So here is the truth. Standard A plus content on Amazon is good, but premium A plus content, that's a whole different level. And I'm not telling this, Amazon itself admit it. Standard A plus might give you an 8% lift, but premium can push that number all the way up to 20%, sometimes even more. That's the difference between a decent listing and a revenue machine. So the real question isn't, is premium A plus worth it? The question is, how much money are you leaving on the table by not using it? Today, I'll break it down, show you a side-by-side example, and reveal the exact premium modules that can actually drive conversions. So let's start it. Alright, so here is a side-by-side. This one uses basic A+, and the other one uses premium A+. Both products are vitamin serums, so the comparison is fair. But right away, you notice the differences. Premium A+ takes up way more space. It's wider, bolder, and instantly grab attention compared to the basic. Alright, let's focus on the basic A+ right now. They only added 3 modules here, but in reality you can add up to 7 modules in both basic and premium A+. And honestly, the more you use, the better. Filling out all 7 modules gives you more space to educate, build trust, and showcase your product. So anyway, let's check what modules they added. This is the first one. The problem with this banner is heavy text, and the text here is not eye-catchy as well. Also, if you notice, it's hard to read. Anyway, I suggest that less text is better, because for the text you already have title, bullet point. Crawlable text helps you listing indexing, but text in the images does not help at all. Okay, moving to the next module, they have added testimonials here. Now, testimonials are great because they build trust, but here is the issue. I still don't have a clear idea about the product itself. I don't know the key benefits, I don't know the features, yet I'm already seeing customers' reviews. That doesn't help as a shopper. A better approach would have been to first highlight the key benefits or selling points of the product. Once that's clear, then the testimonials would feel way more powerful and actually connect with the buyers. Alright, so this is the last module they added, and here they show the instruction for use. The problem? There's just way too much text. It's long, crowded, and honestly not readable. Shoppers are not going to sit and read all of this. So here, a better approach would be to break it down into simple steps. Use short sentences and maybe add icons or visuals to guide the customer. That way, it's easy to scan, understand, and actually follow, making the product much more user-friendly. So from this listing, which honestly is not great, we can see how basic A+ content works. The options are limited and you don't have much more room to showcase your product in the best light. Though this listing does not properly utilize the basic A+, let's see what type of modules can be found in basic A+ section. For that, go to Seller Central. Now from the hamburger menu, select advertising. Now click this A+ content manager, and then we have to click on this one, start creating A+ content. Here you will find basic and premium. Now if you cannot see the premium, that means you are not eligible yet, and that's not a hard thing to do. For that, you must be a professional seller with a brand registered in Amazon Brand Registry and have at least 15 A+ content project approved within the last 12 months. Anyway, let's go back to the basic module. Now, first one is standard company logo. This is most common, by the way. Next is standard comparison chart. For the premium, you will find couple of variations, but in basic, there is only one comparison module. I would say it's a must-have module. Alright, so next, standard 4 images with text. You can use it. Here, text is scrollable and might help indexing. So my advice is that add high engaging keywords here. Next, this is the same, but the image alignment is different. Standard image and dark text overlay. Standard image and light text overlay. Image header with text, product description, left image, right image with text, and all. These are other modules. So you notice that in basic, there are only images with text you can add. So you do not have much options, but if you want, you can be creative with the limited options. Like this one. In the first module, they added brand logo with product photo. Next, they added text along with product. In the third module, they added some key ingredients. At a glance, we can see what elements they used in their product. Like they use ascorbic acid, orange peel oil, lemon oil, kiwi seed oil, etc. Next, here you can find some key selling points. Now they make some promises in the next modules. That has a great impact. It will boost customers' trust. Anyway, finally they added product comparison chart. This has the cross-selling potential. Okay, now let's see the Premium A Plus content example. Let me find an example. Alright. First thing you notice is that this is wider, taking more space on the page. With a bigger space, you can showcase more details, more elements, and you can engage more. Not only this, another engaging thing is carousel. It's like slideshow. When you click on this arrow, the slot changes and reveal new slot. And this way you can showcase more images engaging way. The product comparison chart is more detailed in Premium A Plus, and here is the real game changer. You can add videos. That's huge because videos grab attention, explain complex detail quickly, and build trust way faster than text or image alone. Together, these features make Premium A Plus a much more powerful tool to showcase your product and convince customers. Also, Premium A Plus gives you the Q&A module. This is super valuable because you can answer the most common customer questions right inside your listing. It clears doubts, removes frictions, and helps the buyer feel confident about clicking that buy button. So I think you understand how engaging the Premium A Plus could be. There are more creativity you can add in Premium. Lots of module options you can find in the Premium. Out of all these, some are must-have like product comparison chart. There are 3 options for that. You can choose any one. And then Premium Hotspot. 2 options are available here. Either one is okay to use. Full video, full image. That's are great, especially video modules. And then Q&A module. That's a must-have. So I think by now it's clear Premium A Plus content is simply better. It gives you more tools, more space, and more creativity to actually sell your product instead of just listing it. Now if you got puzzled doing A Plus, we Ecomclips can help you with that. Just shoot us email at info@ecomclips.com and we will get back to you ASAP. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.